Welcome to my thesis presentation, and at first I would like to thank all of my reverend teachers and the audience in front of me. Please be upon to you all. I am Dhimanshita Tonmoy, roll 1510002, Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering. My thesis topic is fault detection, classification, and localization of three-phase power transmission line using artificial neural network, which is supervised by Professor Dr. Mohammad Shamim Anwar, Head Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering, Rajshahi University of Engineering and Technology. This is the outline of this thesis. There has been a rapid growth of power system around the world in recent times. Throughout this widespread power network, the electrical energy is transported from the generation end to the consumer end. Generation, transmission, and distribution are the three basic functions of a power system network. The faults in power system may occur because of the number of natural disturbance like lightning, high-speed wind, earthquakes, etc. It may also occur because of some accident like falling off a tree, vehicle colliding with supporting structure, airplane crashing, etc. There are various kinds of faults that can arise on a transmission line like phase to ground fault, phase to phase fault, and three-phase fault. To restore the good state of the power line, accurate fault detection and classification is required. The fault in the power system is mainly categorized into two types: open circuit fault and short circuit fault. The open circuit fault is categorized as open conductor fault, two conductors open fault, three conductors open fault. This is symmetrical fault. These are very severe faults and occur infrequently in the power system. These are three-phase line to ground fault, three-phase line fault, and unsymmetrical fault. These are very common and less severe than the symmetrical fault. These are line to ground, line to line, and double line to ground fault. The main aim of this project is to detect and classify the faults of the transmission line, to implement a smart protection system for fault detection and fault classification using artificial neural network. A fuzzy logic-based classification scheme was proposed in the first research paper, which detects the identify the type of fault in transmission system. The difficulty of fuzzy logic is to determine the global minimum using the fuzzy membership function. In the third paper, support vector machine approach is used to determine the fault type and the fault locations of a long power transmission line. The simulation results depict a good classification accuracy with least fault position error. A genetic algorithm technique addressed in the fourth paper to determine the exact fault location. The simulation speed can be improved and the dimensions of the possible solutions can be lessened with this technique. The limitations of a genetic algorithm are not constant over time because almost all the processes are random in genetic algorithm. The state-of-art ANN-based approach is mentioned in the fifth and sixth paper. The ANN is simplistic in implementation and has greater efficiency in fault classification and localization compared to the other method. In 2013, Esha Basiar and M. Taib proposed a neural network that detects faults on power transmission line. That paper mentioned only fault detection part, not the classification part. In 2015, Ahmed Sabri Salman and Johnson proposed a system that based on the fault clearing time. And in 2017, Mr. Prasad and Edward proposed a paper that categorized the different fault classification technique for transmission line. This only gives an overview on different fault detector technique. A 300 kilovolt transmission line system has been used to develop and implement the proposed strategy using ANN. This figure shows a single line diagram of the system that has been used throughout this research. The system consists of two generators of 735 kilovolt. This power system was simulated using the SimPower System toolbox in Simulink by the MathWork. The three-phase VI measurement block is used to measure the voltage and current samples at the system. The transmission line length is 300 km long. Voltage and current waveforms have been generated for various fault conditions. The voltage and current samples are noted along with the corresponding pre-fault faults. Let's take a short look of the current waveform of the phase to ground fault, phase to phase fault, and three-phase fault. Methodology and flow diagram of the ANN system architecture. First, we have to initialize the input, then define as well as formatting the target data. We have to divide this data into training data, testing data, and for the validation process. Thirdly, creating the feed-forward backpropagation for training the network layer. Then we'll try to make the total error 0 and apply the first pattern. Then, if the loss pattern has trained and the total error is less than final target error, then it will be executed and simulate the network. Testing the fault detector neural network, 21,000 input data and 1,051 testing data, as well as Levenberg-Marquardt algorithm is used for training performance. Validation performance is determined by plotting the mean square error. This is training performance of the fault classifier neural network. And this figure shows the validation performance. It can be seen that the network achieves mean square error by the end of the training process. This figure shows the complete Simulink model of the study transmission line system. The model contains both the fault detection and classification feature. First figure shows the NN subsystem for the fault detector system, and it contains the NN network. And NN system sends a trip signal to the circuit breaker for interrupt the circuit on fault condition, and then disconnect the faulty section from the healthy section. And second one is the snapshot of the control subsystem for fault detector system. And output goes to the circuit breaker to trip the circuit on fault condition. This is the snapshot of the control subsystem of the fault classifier system, the bus current and bus voltage signal for normal condition. This is the fault detections of single line to ground fault. Fault detection of double line to ground fault. This is AB to ground fault. This shows the phase BC to ground fault. Phase A, phase C to ground fault is shown here. The figure shows the three-phase fault detection. Three-phase to ground fault is shown at 0.1 second. The fault detection of neural network train for data below 15 volt. Phase A to ground fault and phase AB to ground fault trip signal for three-phase to ground fault. In the case of neural network train for data below 15 volt, the system isolated before the fault occurs at the 0.1 second because an earlier trip signal comes at the circuit breaker and isolate the system. The adapted neural network is consists of 6 inputs and 3 outputs. The outputs are 1, which signifies the presence of distinct type of fault, or 0 for the absence of particular fault type. Each type of fault has an identical pattern. The neural network outputs for each type of fault is illustrated in this table. This is the proof of phase A to ground fault classification, phase B to ground classification, phase C to ground fault classification. And this is the phase A, phase B to ground fault. Phase B, phase C to ground fault classification. Phase AC to ground fault classification. This is the three-phase to ground fault classification and at the normal condition. In the case of fault localization, the fault resistance has been kept constant at 0.25. The fault distance has varied at an incremental factor of every 10 km on a 1000 km transmission line. Once the fault locator neural network is trained, its performance is checked using Levenberg-Marquardt algorithm that correlates the targets to the output. The training dataset for the fault localization is made of 297 input-output set. For each type of fault, 99 data is recorded by simulating the power system. Cross entropy performance for the neural network model is shown here. After training the developed neural network, it is tested for several types of fault data simulated in the power system model. The result of fault classification, fault localization, and the amount of error are listed in this table. The neural network-based proposed system provides an ideal transmission line fault detection scheme, especially in the view of increasing complexity of the modern power transmission system. Artificial neural network minimizes the fault clearing time and provides the accurate fault classification. The fault detection and classification together makes the system robust compared to the conventional production scheme. Feature scope. Validation performance can be improved using more training dataset. And convolution neural network can be approached in the near future with the extended dataset. Thank you, everybody.